What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video of OnePlus apps update. In this video, we'll be covering few applications which I have personally extracted from OnePlus 9 RT firmware. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see towards the right hand side I have my OnePlus 9 which is running on the latest build of OxygenOS 12, and towards the left hand side we have OnePlus 8 which is running on OxygenOS 11. And as you all know, we recently started this new series of OnePlus app update. In this series we also try to run OxygenOS 12 application on other versions of OxygenOS 11. And in that, most of the applications don't work due to compatibility issues, but some applications do work on other versions of OxygenOS. And before starting the video guys, thank you so much for your love and support on our previous video. Within 24 hours we have already crossed the like target of 300 likes. Let's keep a same like target on this video too. And as I say every time, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So here you can see I've extracted all the applications from OnePlus 9 RT firmware. I tried out almost all the applications on my OxygenOS 12 which is installed on OnePlus 9 and also on OxygenOS 11 which is installed on OnePlus 8. Though most of the application did not work out because currently OnePlus 9 RT is only for Chinese region, and there we get to see 90% of Oppo applications. We are exactly not sure about the release date of OnePlus 9 RT in India. So once it is out or we have any information about it, we'll share with you guys. So now let's talk about the applications. So here you can see these are the applications which I was able to install it on my OnePlus 9 running OxygenOS 12. First talking about the calculator application. So this is the calculator application which we get to see on OnePlus 9 RT. And the best part is this calculator app supports floating windows. So here you can see the icon, tapping on it will open up the calculator application in floating windows. And on my OnePlus 9 this works fine, but there are issues on my OnePlus 8 running OxygenOS 11. So let's open up floating windows on OnePlus 8 also. As you can see here, the floating windows pops up, but soon you tap on any number, the application gets crashed. So basically, calculator app have compatibility issues on Android 11. And if you see the difference between these two applications, so here we have the OnePlus stock calculator app which doesn't have much of functionalities. Like swiping down, you get the history section. Tapping here towards the left bottom corner will open up scientific calculator. But the application which is present on OnePlus 9 RT, tapping on these three dots will give you an option of scientific calculator, and this also have other unit converter options. Like you can convert currency, length, area, speed, weight, etc. And for history we don't have any gesture. We have an icon here on the top side. Tapping on it will show you the calculator history. And if you guys have ever used Hydrogen OS, you must be aware about the Compass application which comes pre-installed on that. I tried installing it on my OnePlus 9 running OxygenOS 12 and the application did work fine. Also I installed it on OxygenOS 11, but there this application keeps crashing. And the same thing goes with the recorder application. This is the recorder application from OnePlus 9 RT and which did not get installed on OxygenOS 11. But let's take a look at difference between both the applications, which is OnePlus recorder application with that of the recorder application which we get to see on OnePlus 9 RT. So here you can see the difference. Bottom side on OxygenOS 11 we get to see this mic option, but here we have an circular icon that starts the recording. On OxygenOS 11 we only get to see this recorder written, but here on OnePlus 9 RT recorder app we get to see all recording option. And if you take a look at this image on both the applications, one of the difference is in the size of the image, and then second one is related to colors in the image. And at the bottom of this image it's written sound of silence, but here nothing have been written. Tapping on these three dots we have the settings option. Once you tap on it you'll get the option of recording format, but on OnePlus 9 RT recorder app we don't have any option to choose between format. We have this additional option of cloud sync. And now talking about the next application which I was able to install it on both the OS, OxygenOS 11 and OxygenOS 12, and that's Smart Home application. So this is the application and there are no issues. You can also sign in with your Google account or your OnePlus account. And the next application which did work on both the OS is this health application. So here we have the OnePlus 9 RT health application, and here you can also add your OnePlus watch if you guys have one. Along with OnePlus watch you can also add Oppo watches too. And this application seems to be working fine on both the OS. And the last thing which I installed on my OnePlus 9 running OxygenOS 12 was the children's space. So this is again an app but that can be only triggered from the quick setting panel. I also tried it installing on my OnePlus 8 which is running Oxygen OS 11, but soon I tap on the quick setting tile of KidSpace, the application crashes. You'll get an error that this application stopped working. But this app do work on Oxygen OS 12. While setting the app for the first time, it will ask you to add application in KidSpace. Tapping on add, and these are the features of KidSpace application, where you can set the duration allowed for usage, like minimum time is 15, and then we also have an unrestricted option. From here you can select the applications which can be accessed using KidSpace mode. For example, I'll just give an access to camera application and YouTube application for kids. So once I have enabled these two applications, or you can say I have allowed these applications, you just have to tap on enter KidSpace. Kids will only be able to use these two applications which I have allowed. If you take a look at the main features of KidSpace, it says prevent unwanted charges. For example, preventing gaming and non-gaming apps from incurring SMS charge. After that, prevent system notification and also prevent addiction. And seriously guys, this can be a very helpful feature if kids in your house use mobile a lot. So let's tap on enter KidSpace, and there you can see. Now the access have only been given to two applications which we allowed. And if kids try to exit this mode, they need to enter the PIN or password which you have set it for the lock screen. Until unless they won't be able to move out from this mode. So guys, these were few of the applications from OnePlus 9 RT. I hope you guys like this series of OnePlus app updates. And if you guys want to try out applications, then all the applications can be found in the description below. So as of now, only this much in this video guys. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.